Welcome to the NewsRamp Gaming Podcast for Thursday afternoon, January 1st, 2026. Real stories, AI voices, full articles at newsramp.com. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Let's get into it.
MelGeek presents Centauri 60 and Centauri 80, the first flagship Hall-effect keyboards with integrated HD OLED display. MelGeek introduces the Centauri 60 and Centauri 80 Hall-effect gaming keyboards featuring an integrated HD OLED display. The flagship products boast a third-generation magnetic switch system for enhanced performance and stability. With innovative features like dynamic scanning, water ingress alert, and a SuperDock rotary encoder, MelGeek aims to set a new standard in the custom keyboard market. Learn more on MelGeek's official website.
DRCR enters a new phase of growth. Dear Cashmere Holding Company, also known as Swifty Global, is entering a new phase of growth. The technology company is focusing on innovative solutions for regulated online markets, providing mission-critical technology for the global online gaming sector. Under the leadership of CEO James Gibbons, the company has evolved into a strong and scalable tech firm. With new regulatory frameworks in Europe, DRCR is restructuring to maximize growth, regulatory alignment, and shareholder value.
On this, I'm sorry, and I know you can't feel it. And that's why a wage more sorry might be possible. Now, thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Gaming Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading news wires like newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news. Okay, so we know that Marion Diane B is not news.